Visuals on your screen in just a minute will show this hit and run case in the national capital, which has once again raised questions over the lackadaisical security on the streets. Mercedes ramming into a scooty in Delhi's Paschim Vihar area. The victim, who was rushed to hospital, has succumbed to injuries, but the driver is absconding. The victim's family claims that the car dragged his body at least 100 meters before fleeing. Delhi police are currently scanning through the CCTV footage to nab the killer.
मर्सिडीज गाड़ी थी वो एकदम जैसे लगते गिरा, उसके बाद वो स्कूटी को आगे घसीटता हुआ कम से कम 100-125 फीट ले गया और उस गाड़ी ने आगे जाके ट्रक को हिट भी किया। इस ट्रक को हिट करने के बाद फिर वो गाड़ी भगा के ले गया।
My colleague Kamaljeet joining us. Kamaljeet, can you give us more details of the incident? Was Merc over speeding? And what are the details that we have of the accused as well?
Well, obviously, there seems to be no clues as far as the accused is concerned, and that is why the Delhi police is now actually going through CCTV footage in the area. Yes, the people are talking about how this car was overspeeding. And remember, this is also a point to be noted, that there are stringent laws in the country, and despite that being a Sunday, we'll have to see whether there was any influence of alcohol. The other part is obviously about the safety and security of people on the road. There is no reason that this sort of an incident should have taken place. For 17-year-old Atul Arora, it was just a day where he sauntered off to a local market. He was supposed to come back. He's a student of Bal Bharti. This is obviously extremely shocking for the family as well. And despite, and what the locals have been telling the police as well, is the fact about how the scooty was dragged around for 100 meters. So the car has to be in a certain momentum and speed. And remember, Mercedes car has the capacity to actually run at a very high speed at a very short distance. But yes, there is a huge amount of negligence because the driver could have stopped. He could have actually taken the victim to hospital, had shown certain cooperation despite an accident. But the Mercedes driver has sped, and this is obviously a serious matter. Delhi police say they are investigating, going through the CCTV footage. But at this point of time, obviously, it seems that the cops are in the dark.
Also, Kamaljeet, this is not the first time you've seen a hit-and-run case on Delhi roads. Last year, in fact, yet another time where allegedly a car driven by son of a businessman knocked down a 32-year-old in civil lines area. And what are the steps, it seems, been taken from last year's incident? Because no lessons learnt, yet another speeding vehicle ramming down a pedestrian.
Well, absolutely. In fact, India is one of those countries where maximum number of road deaths do take place. So yes, this is a matter of concern. There has also been a talk about how they're trying to bring a legislative bill which will put the responsibility and onus even if there is an underage driver. So obviously, driving with responsibility, following laws is something that the driver and obviously people who are following laws should obey. But here, obviously, it seems a gross violation, and there has been a loss of life. This is extremely unfortunate.
All right, Kamaljeet, thanks for joining us with all those details.